Hello, my name is Pablo from Team Cape, and I'm going to present to you the results of our challenge predicting a safety score for women in Costa Rica. I will just go through the main visualizations because we think that is the best way of describing what we have done for this challenge. So first of all, we have focused on the canton of San Jose. This canton is part of the province of San Jose in Costa Rica, and it is divided in the districts that you have on the screen. Next, here you have a distribution of the total number of crimes in San Jose. As you can see, there is this district in the middle, which contains the most amount of crimes. That is the district of Hospital, and the rest of the districts have a fair number of crimes, with the ones on the bottom right having the lowest amount of crimes. So what were our main findings when it comes to this challenge? First, here we can see how these crimes distribute over time. One of our main findings is that the most crimes occur between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. This is actually surprising because one would expect crimes to occur during the night, but this doesn't seem to be the case. Also, it is really hard to predict the crimes in specific locations as crimes are not correlated over time. So a crime that is committed at 1 p.m. doesn't have to have a correlation with a crime that is committed at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. Okay. Finally, and this is one of our key findings, we analyzed the district street network orientation of the different districts in San Jose. What this means is how the streets are distributed within the district. So as you can see, there is a circle here, and these are the street angles in which the streets are distributed and the length of such streets. We found a really strong correlation between the number of straight streets and the number of crimes. So for example, Hospital, that has this cross shape, and Merced have most of the crimes, or like a huge number of crimes within this canton, and this correlates with this shape. Whereas San Sebastián or Zapote or San Francisco de los Ríos have a bigger spectrum of street angles and also a lower number of crimes. Finally, we also created several multi-regression models that you can use to predict the crimes within San Jose, and we created one for like the whole crime dataset and one specifying only a dataset with women victims. I hope this is clear enough, and feel free to ask us any questions that you may have. Thank you very much.